Hello ELT professionals and music lovers! Are you ready for another hit fresh from the Song Activity Factory? Here we believe in the power of songs to teach English, and we hope you enjoy this experience. This lesson plan was made for teaching with Zoom features like breakout rooms, chat box, screen sharing, etc. However, it can be modified for face-to-face classes as well. Subscribe to our channel for more innovative, useful and practical ideas for song activities. Also follow our blog songactivityfactory.com via email, and receive extra and exclusive lesson plans and materials every week. And now, Boyfriend and Dance Monkey, a musical narrative. For detailed instructions, PDF, plus answers, plus free downloadable materials, check the link in the video description. Step-by-step lesson plan. Step 1, 5 to 7 minutes. Ask students to tell you titles of songs they like. Write them on the whiteboard. Challenge students to create a song title by mixing the words from the titles they said. Example: Rain on Me, I Adore You, Better Days, The Man. Mixed: The Man I Adore, Better Me, Better You, The You I Adore, etc. Write their ideas on the board. Get 4 or 5 different titles and leave them on the board for the next step. Step 2, 5 minutes. Show them the slide with the lyrical extracts of the 2 songs. Students read. Help with vocabulary. Ask them if they recognize the songs or singers. Play the extracts. Step 3, 10 to 15 minutes. In pairs or small groups, breakout rooms, students connect the 2 lyrical extracts, in a short narrative that has one of the titles from step 1. Give them about 10 minutes for the task. Step 4, 5-7 minutes. Back to the main room, students read their short narratives. Have a vote on the most interesting, creative, the craziest, etc. Step 5, 5 minutes. Students vote on the song they want to work with, Boyfriend or Dance Monkey. Share the link to the interactive worksheet with the chosen song activity. Step 6, 5 minutes. For Dance Monkey, Tones and I, play the song and students do the exercise on the worksheet. For Boyfriend, Selena Gomez, students read the lyrics and choose the right words, then play the song for them to check. Watch these videos for more awesome activities. Subscribe to our channel. Like and share this to help other ELT professionals. Visit songactivityfactory.com. Thanks for watching.